Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Ku and Miss Su. Chapter 134, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Suhishi and Shaojing. Right now, Suhishi. She becomes silent. She was waiting for Shaojing's answer. Looking at her face, she looks really sad. Well, probably, she was thinking. Why suddenly? Judging, she got really curious about her. Now, Suhishi, she moved closer on Shaojin. Tell me, why did you return home? So, she got really curious about this. Right now, I want to act in this movie. Is there no other reason? Suhishi is asking Shaojin. Well, probably, she really want to know how her feelings towards her if it's really no feelings at all. Shaojin said, my parents are now old and I live abroad so there's no one to take care of them. Now, she's avoiding eye contact with Suhishi. Shaojin, after saying this, Suhishi's eyes become darkened. What else? Suhishi is asking her. Lily and the others also hope that I can came back to develop. Well, that was really her purpose. But suddenly hearing this, Suhishi, it seems that she was not pleased on her answer. The world only has them, and you never think about me, right? Suhishi, asking her again. It was really painful. Never thought that about getting back together with me, even if there's no Ara, right? No, Suhishi, she really want to confirm her, but Shajing, if she still have feelings for her, but Shajing, she really can't visualize it, coming back to Suhishi. No, it doesn't make any sense to say this, Shajin said to Suhishi. Suhishi, hearing that, of course, right now, she become teary. Her tears, it's really falling down. Well, a lot of pain has been encountered, but right now, it was really painful. Her, maybe, she was really expecting that Shajin has a feeling for her, but right now, confirming it, she moved closer to Shajin. She really kissed her just to confirm something. But can Shajin tell her that you still love her even though it was a little? Well, Suhishi, there's one thing I have never told you. Well, what could it be? It's the thing that she never told Shajin. Right now, look at her. You can see that she was really in pain. On the other hand, it was Shajin. She was staring at Suhishi. Probably, she was waiting for her answer. Also, is she really expecting something? But Suhishi suddenly opened the door. Now, she is going to leave. For her, it must really painful knowing that Shajin has no feelings at her at all. Well, it seems that Shajin, she is not showing any remorse on what she done back then. The score between you and Yancy was 6-7. The person who cast the final vote was the Danish director. Well, it turns out she have a chance to win back then, but since and Suhishi doesn't have a time to tell her. In fact, what you want is already exists. Now, after hearing this, Shaojin, she really in shock. Well, it was really her dream, but back then, also, Suhishi's dream for her. And what I want must have been crushed by you and me a long time ago. Saying this, it seems that it was really painful for Suhishi. Well, probably, she was really expecting more. Shaojin, that when she came back, he was still in love with her. But, of course, Shaojin, she didn't answer anything. And right now, Suhishi, she returned back. After Suhishi leaving, Shaojin's tears, it's really falling also. It was the next day. Last night, it was really tough for the two of them. Well, today, what could be wrong? Now, Tang Yu is sending her a message. I'll wait for you downstairs in the hotel. Why are you here? Suishi is asking Tang Yu. Well, this boy has always been patient on Shaojin. Also, he really helped Shaojin a lot. I told him that if we live with Xiao Aksu, she would get restless. Now, it turns out this little girl freeing her dog on the set. Judging, she looks really surprised. This kid, she's really getting tricky. You can come if you want, but why did you bring out Sissy with you? Because, Pipi, I miss you. Sissy, give my dog random names. Judging told to her. You knew it was your dog. Yet, you were so cruel to send it to the pet hospital even though it had just returned from abroad. I came to the crew to work. How can I bring it with me? Shaojin said to her. Now, this little kid, the crew is full of people, and if it's bumped into the staff member, I wasn't able to protect it. Well, she was right on the setting, of course. Can be running through, and now it really makes sense. Did you sneak it into the set? Did anyone complain about it? No one complained about it. Someone in the crew is allergic or fat hair like Xiao Aisong. So this girl, she really know a lot. Are you talking about Miss Xiong Li-san? Okay, hurry up. Father Tang is still waiting for you outside, the little kid said to her. Go down on the building so they can really go back home. But after hearing this, of course, Xiaojin, she looks really sad. And it was really her fault. Suhishi, she's really crying a lot. Now, it seems that after working, look at the weather. Rain, it was really pouring hard. Well, this is not good. Right now, it turns out the rain, it was really pouring hard. But there's a lot of people saying that Tang Yu is going to pick up her. And also for the dog. The staff is looking at them and there's a little bit gossip. Quietly, it's that Tang Yu. He's here to pick her up. Kushishi, you may not know this, but it says that he fell in love during the filming of the play. Well, since the rain is pouring hard, Jiaojin and everyone rushing to inside the car. Now, the door is closing and they're going to drive away. Well, a familiar car was already stopping. Could it be that Suhishi was also there? Right now, water is splashing through, since they were rushing to come back home. So it turns out she was right. Now, it was Suhishi, looking at the window. Also right now, Shajin, since she's not Rattle anymore. Look at her, she was staring at Suhishi. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. It seems that the story, it was really getting better. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.